What's good, Old Niggas fam? It's your boy Old Nigga. I'm back with another video. Hey man, say man, look guys, so peep this right. So today we have more Q&A we have more questions on the sponge method, on how to get dreads with the sponge methods and all that type of stuff. But wait, before this video even gets started, bro, hit that like button for me down below, hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications, bro. Alright, let's get straight into this video. Alright, so look, peep this right. Now, if y'all don't know, bro, every time a subscriber either follow me on Instagram and message me, bro, I'm gonna answer you. Either I'm gonna text you back or I'm gonna make a whole video about you. You get what I'm saying? So text all your questions. Leave them in the comment section first. And if I don't respond back to you in the comment section, DM me on Instagram, bro. Y'all can do either one. It don't matter to me. All right, so this question comes from NFL_Chris. I will put the picture on the screen right here. He said, what do I need to work on? I'm very curious. And then I asked him what method do he use, and he said the sponge. Alright, so Chris, looking at that photo, bro, it depends on what sponge do you use, right? It depends on, first off, with your hair, bro, this sponge would be acceptable. Now say if somebody would have had more hair than you, they need that little spiked up sponge that I used to have, right? And shout out to my cousin, my little cousin, he lost it, but we ain't gonna speak on that. I gave it to him though, so you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get me a new one though. It depends on what sponge you use. Now you asked me what do you have to work on. If you sponging at least once a day, you get what I'm saying, you should be straight. First off, it depends on what sponge you're using. Alright, for your hair it's acceptable to use a small sponge with a hole, but for other people hair, they got taller hair and stuff, they're gonna need the one that spikes up, you know what I'm saying, and the one with the hole on their side. It depends on their preference, right? But with your hair, like I just said, this is good to keep. The only tip I can give you is my experience, right? I tell you this each and every video. But to keep your twist, your little small twist, because you got fairly small twists. It's like it look like you've been growing your hair out for like 3-4 months. Am I guessing right? Like you've been growing your hair for 3-4 months, right? So when you do your twist, bro, keep a fresh cut. That's what's always gonna make your little twist at the top look good, because you really don't have dreads yet. Those are called twists. You get what I'm saying? But that's cool. Like that's how majority of us all start off. You know what I'm saying? We get the twist, and then as our hair grows, it starts becoming like freeform dreads. And then at that stage in time, either you gonna be like, okay, I'm gonna continue with the freeform dreads, or we're gonna be like, nah, this is a little too nasty. Like, it depends on what look you're going for. It ain't gotta be professional or nothing. But like me, I had the freeform dreads going each and everywhere, right? My hair is spiked up. I showed y'all last video too, right? I'm gonna put the picture right here. Boom. Like my hair was a little spiked up at the top, right? And I didn't do none on the sides. And I didn't go in depth with it neither. With the sponge, I just did it at the top. You know what I'm saying? I got a whole story time on that. I said that last video. But it depends on what look you going for, bro. You feel me? You can continue with the dreads, but the way you twist it looks good. It looks decent because the size of your hair. You feel me? But to keep your looks fresh, you're gonna wanna, like when you have short hair, you're gonna wanna keep your hair cut and keep them twists looking fresh. You dig what I'm saying? Like me on the other hand, I can go 3 weeks to a month without getting a haircut and look fine. Except like I grow sideburns and stuff, so you'll know when I ain't got a haircut. But at the same time, I'm cool with this. You feel me? But if you have short hair, bro, you're gonna want to keep your hair looking fresh. Now you don't have to. I'm just saying, like, the twist is gonna pop out. It's gonna make the twist look better. You dig what I'm saying? But all you gotta do, man, is keep applying your oil or whatever to keep your sponge to keep your sponge having a grip on your hair. You know what I'm saying? Apply some oil and just make sure that the oil don't cause. I wouldn't recommend no gel, because like when I was using the gel, I got dandruff. I got like a ton of dandruff from gel substance. So I'll probably use like some type of oil if I was you. You get what I'm saying? But you've been doing the sponging method, like it looks pretty good. You dig what I'm saying? Hey, comment down below, do y'all want me to do like a video on the brush method, like the brush method versus the sponge method, either one? But because the dude from the other day, he was like, I use the towel method. Bro, don't use the towel method, bro. Don't use the towel method. Like, and then it depends on what towel you use. Like I said, bro, you might want to use the dry towel. Yeah, I got my dry towel. You might want to use the dry towel, you know what I'm saying, and then go like this. But use the dry towel if you can't get a sponge right now. The sponges only cost like $6 to $8. You feel me? Don't be buying no $15 sponge. You feel me? price range of the sponge, either $5 to like $10 the most you should spend on the sponge, right? And that's on Amazon, that's anywhere. Don't be spending $15 on those sponge, bro. NFL_Chris. Another tip is when you twisting your hair, bro, make sure that you're going in the same direction each and every day. Now you don't have to wear a do-rag because your hair is so short. You get what I'm saying? Like, your hair gonna get matted in either way. Now if a person had dreads, they'll have to wear a do-rag or all that type of stuff just to keep they like dreads in contact and stuff like that. Because when you first get your hair twisted or whatever, your dreads are not fully formed yet, so you gonna need like a do-rag. Or look, I got my do-rag right here, even though I don't be wearing it. Only time I wear my do-rag is when I first get my hair done, and I just be wanting like the fresh look for like a month or so. Then after that, I be tired of the hairstyle. I just undo the hairstyle and then go back to these, you know what I'm saying? Go back to the regular hair, you feel me? But like I was telling y'all before, man, all y'all gotta do is DM me, man. Comment some questions down below. Don't be afraid to do all this, man. You never know, like, you never know. One time, man, I make daily videos, you get what I'm saying? Eventually, I'm gonna get around to your question, and eventually I'm gonna upload a video on you. So all you gotta do, hit that like button for me down below, subscribe to the channel, comment, go on Instagram, DM me. That's all you gotta do, bro. And follow me on Instagram, man. Follow me on Snapchat. That's all y'all gotta do.